Hey, I tried to call you.
Yeah, I know, I know.
हो गया काम?
No, man, I'm still.
क्या हुआ?
Think I slept in a weird position. There's just having pain in my back. What happened to your hair?
अरे it's so boring at this lockdown. एक महीना हो गया. I'm still in the same place, watching the same show, eating the same thing. My parents still want to kill each other. I still want to kill both of them. So I got a haircut. Oh, and I got bed bugs in my bedroom though. They're new. Something new. I'm so excited. First I thought mosquitoes were biting me, but I'm blessed and grateful. At least I'm not going to get dengue and all. I feel like I'm a new person now, you know. Like I'm more positive. Like my parents, if they want to kill each other, they can. I mean, I'm not saying they should, but it's okay if they do.
Okay, Chanti, you can't lose your mind again, okay? Breathe.
Yeah, I'm breathing only since 22 years.
Fuck, Rajiv is calling.
Rajiv is your boss?
Yeah, I mean, he's only a few years older and there's no hierarchy as such. He started this company when he was only 20 and he broke into the market out of nowhere and changed the whole game, dude. Some genius and need to learn from him. But these con calls just take forever. Like this sale take 45 minutes and then it goes on for like 4.5 hours. I was too free, so I took this job up and now I'm flooded with work.
Wow, so nice to you. So busy, yeah. I think mostly I've been staring out of the window these days. There are so many birds. Too many birds. I think we should start shooting them. Otherwise, they'll think that they're the owners of this place.
Okay, Jonty, you need to pick up something to do, alright? Be occupied. It'll keep you sane.
Talking to you keeps me sane. Oh, I'm not flirting, huh? But yesterday I realized that when we didn't talk, there's so many things I have to say to you all the time.
Yeah, but there's a whole month of this lockdown remaining. You can't depend on me. What will you even do?
Yeah, I was thinking about that. Well, so you know now my friend Darshan and I, we're going to start a rap thing after this lockdown is over. He's going to rap as OG Darshan and I'm going to manage him. We'll be burning the hip hop scene. अपने दम पे जी ले बेमानी बेशुमार बाकी सब भंगार तेरा भाई अंगार है इरशाद OG Darshan. His words, not mine. But he's damn cool. I love him. He's like my brother. And yesterday only we were discussing his new rap, तो मैंने उसको ऐसे एक दो words दे दिए. So he's like, he really liked them. He's like, मम्मा तू ज्वाला है ज्वाला. I was like, no bro, मैं तो normal इंसान ही हूँ. But after that I started thinking, you know, that maybe I should write something of my own. ऐसे you know, for time pass as practice.
That could be pretty cool. Okay, she's calling again.
Is there no other work or what? Creepy genius.
Dude, he's too fast. Like, I can't keep up with him now.
You be careful around the genius people, huh? What does he look like? Is he good looking?
Listen, I don't know. I have to take this, okay? You do something, anything, don't shoot any birds, okay? I'll talk to you later.
Yeah, but is he good? Okay, call me later. Goodbye. Hey, I tried to call you.
Hi, I'm still on this conference call, man. They want this file, so I'm just typing on the side. I've muted them. Oh, what's up? Is everything okay?
Yeah, nothing. I couldn't sleep now because the bed bugs were still biting. So इसलिए मैंने फिनाइल डाल के मैट्रेस पे आग लगा दी थी. लेकिन luckily my father was taking a bath, तो बाल्टी already ready थी, इसलिए उन्होंने जल्दी से आके बुझा दी. That's why we've been bonding all evening. We had dinner also together. You know, he's actually a good person at heart. Only outside he's bad.
Dude, what the fuck? Are you okay?
Yeah, of course. I tried to call you also. You had to throw that mattress away now, so now I'll be sleeping on the floor. I'm truly grounded now.
Jonty, don't joke about this. You could have set your house on fire.
Okay, but why are you angry?
I'm not angry, I'm concerned.
Okay, good. Oh, I googled Rajiv by the way. He looks cunning, huh? Be careful around him. He looks like a Hollywood actor. Oh, Joker wala. Joaquin Phoenix. And he's got a nice house also in Milat Nagar, above Sangam restaurant.
Why are you stalking Rajiv?
Just for security purposes, just to make sure you're not some bad guy, you know? Because in these Joaquin Phoenix movies, you can never tell if he's a good guy or a bad guy.
Listen, I can't deal with this right now, okay? I've got this client, he's asking for changes over the changes he's already made. Like, it's like the 15th time he's asking me to do this. So back to the first version I made anyway. It's such a fucking waste of time, man. Do you have anything important to say?
No, I just want to talk generally, but I had to tell you.
Okay, then I'm gonna call you tomorrow.
No, I have something really exciting to tell you.
What?
So I thought about what you were saying today and I finally wrote a rap. And I shared it with OG, but before that, I would like to recite it to you. Are you ready?
Listen, I can't listen to your rap right now. They're calling me online, okay?
But I wrote it for you.
No, I can't. Listen, I have to go.
Okay, only one line.
No, this is not everyone is sitting free like you, yeah, Chanti. I have to
मेरे
go.
सीने
Bye.
में है.
Hi.
Hey, hi.
Tried calling you earlier. Finally got some time, so wanted to talk.
Yeah, I'm so sorry I didn't pick up. Actually, I've gotten this job now. I'm so busy with it.
What?
Yeah, I've gotten a job now, so I'm very busy with it. I'm actually on a conference call only right now with my clients. Can I call you when I'm free? Sorry, Mr. Kursava. Sorry.
Are you
Sir.
okay?
Yeah. Anything important?
No, I just thought we would catch up. You actually have a job?
Yeah, it's surprising how fast things can change in an industry. I'm actually on a video call right now. Mr. Kursava, yeah, really sorry about this. So the sales and the marketing, we'll, definitely talk about that. Yeah. Okay.
Why are you lying?
Okay, I'm actually pretty busy now, so I'll call you later, okay? Yeah, Mr. Kursava. So, yeah.
You called up Rajiv? You asked him for a job? What the fuck, dude?
I was just checking in case any business opportunities arise. Things change very fast in the industry.
You sent him your rap in the CV. Now he won't stop making fun of me. What are you doing?
I'm just doing my job.
What is your job?
My job is my work, my passion.
You don't know what a job is, do you? Okay, what does your company do?
Taxes and sales, import, export. It's mostly creative work.
Shorty, those are all different things. Listen, stop bluffing. I get it, okay? You're mad at me for being occupied. But I'd be stupid if I'm unemployed when this economy is crashing in front of my eyes, dude. Who's gonna pay my internet bill? Will you do it? Will you pay it? Have you earned anything besides the 500 rupees you got when you sold that fire extinguisher from our college? I didn't even realize how bad that deal was.
I was just being generous with my pricing. I was building customer relations.
They were going to expel you for stealing. You could have lost your degree, dude.
Okay, even if I don't know how to make money right now, I will at some point now. And I was in college back then. I was learning. Everyone learns. And why do you think I'll never earn money? OG Darshan will start rapping after the lockdown is over. We'll burn the rap scene. I'm managing him, I'm telling you.
Yeah, sure, maybe. But I can't depend on Darshan's rap career to save us from the economy. You think today is bad and tomorrow will be better, but tomorrow just keeps getting shittier. Even Rajiv turned out to be an ass. When he messes up on assignments and the investor wants an answer, he asks me to take the blame. I don't like that, but I have to do it. I don't want to be sad and broke at the same time. Also, I've realized he calls me by my Instagram handle all the time. At first, I thought it was like cool, whatever, calling me @Sanskritik and all. But I think it's because he doesn't remember my actual name. The amount of time I'm spending working is just increasing every single day. So I don't even know how I'm going to find time to talk to you eventually. Like I don't know.
You know, maybe you should decide what you want to give time to. Me or the job. Goodbye.
Hey,
Hi.
so we're done with that company. I resigned from the position. Rajiv was pissed, but I can't work like this. I can't be happy like this. I'll just look for something after this lockdown is over. Till then, I'll bake banana bread or cake or whatever.
Okay.
And listen, man, I'm sorry I was rude about your rap career. I don't know if it'll work, but I need to be nicer to the people around me for sure. There's a whole month of this lockdown remaining. How will I even get through it without you, dude?
Okay, but you are gonna have to call me every day, okay?
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. And you were right, you know. I spoke to my father when we were having lunch. I thought he was a nice guy, but he's actually a snake at heart. Huh? He bites if you get too close to him. I was telling him about my rap career, so he asked me how I'm going to make money. So that's when I actually realized that I don't know how I'm going to make money. Like, I don't have a business model in place. So he said he'll beat me up with a belt, but I was truly just being honest. Maybe I should just have looked at other career options, or maybe it's too late. I don't know. I don't want to end up selling fire extinguishers all my life, you know. Oh, and I googled the MRP. It's like 3,000 on Amazon. People have so much money or what to save themselves from a fire. I thought never buy it.
Hey, you figure it out, okay? You'll get there. Acha, you wanna rap the words you wrote for me?
No, it's okay. You don't want to listen to it now.
No, I do. I really do. Please, I really want to listen to it. I really...
MC Hustler. थोड़ा दिल की बात करने जा रहा हूँ. I called you 20 times. तूने हर एक कॉल काटा था. पूरा दिन बात कर सकते थे क्योंकि मेरे पास अनलिमिटेड डाटा था. Your work is more important than me. Am I a joke to you? हमने 2 दिनों से बात नहीं की. What am I supposed to do? दिल तो पागल है, दिल दीवाना है. 2 महीने हो गए मोमोज खाना है. ऊपर से इस राजीव को तुम्हारे साथ सारा टाइम बिताना है. कैसा ही ज़माना है, कोरोना को भगाना है. हट साले वायरस, मुझे संस्कृति को मिलने जाना है. शेर.
Wow. Very nice. Thank you. Did you put this in your CV?
Yeah.
Man, listen, you don't ever have to fake having a job again, okay? Like, it's fine even if you never get one, honestly. I mean, fortunately for me, Riddhima had to quit and I had a strong CV plus the qualifications, so it worked out. But that's not the case for everybody, right?
Yeah, you're a decent manager. Maybe I'll write more rap also.
Or maybe not. Who knows? Nobody knows.
One second, I have an email.
Is it from Mr. Kurosawa?
No, it's from your company only. It's from Mr. Rajiv Mehta.
Which Rajiv?
He gave me the job.
What?
He gave me the job.
No, what are you talking about? What job?
Papa.
Jonty, what do you mean? What do you mean he gave you the job?
I got the job. Papa, I got the job.
Wait, what?
अरे तो रो क्यों रहे?
मम्मी जॉब मिल गई मेरे को.
Gave you the... Wait, what are you talking about, Jonty?
अरे तो खुश हो ना. अरे खुश हो.
खुश हूँ. I got it. I got it.
क्या बोले पब्लिक? ओजी दर्शन लाया आपके लिए 2 शब्द इस लॉकडाउन में. सुनो हमारा बात सुनो. यहाँ वहां जाएंगे जहां भी चाहे तू. पहले जाए क्लब या मूवी, टोटली अप टू यू. क्या बोले? माँ, माँ, I'm coming. मम्मू, I'm coming. 1 second.